In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page. If you want to prevent accidental edits on an important page in Notion, this is a simple feature that can really help. Locking a page is useful when you finished writing content, organized a dashboard the way you want it, or created a page you don't want changed by mistake. The good news is that turning this on only takes a few seconds. First, open the Notion page you want to lock. Make sure you're on the exact page you want to protect, because the setting applies to that specific page. This is especially helpful if you have multiple pages inside a workspace and only want to lock one of them. Once the page is open, go to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This opens the Page menu, where Notion keeps several page settings and options. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry. Everything you need is right there. After opening the menu, scroll through the options until you find the setting called Lock Page. Depending on your screen size or app version, you may need to look carefully, but it should appear in the list of page options. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct setting before moving on. When you see Lock Page, turn on the toggle. As soon as you enable it, the page becomes locked. That means the content on the page can no longer be edited accidentally. This is a great way to keep layouts, text, databases, or important notes from being changed when you're simply viewing the page or clicking around quickly. Once the toggle is on, the page is now locked. At this point, you can continue viewing the content normally, but editing actions will be restricted. This gives you a little extra protection and peace of mind, especially for pages you want to keep stable and unchanged. If you ever need to update the page later, unlocking it is just as easy. Go back to the same three-dot menu in the top right corner, find Lock Page again, and turn the toggle off. After that, you'll be able to make changes as usual. When you're done editing, you can always switch the lock back on to protect the page again, and that's all it takes to lock a Notion page. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in keeping your work organized and safe from accidental changes. Thanks for watching.